where we're going to be connecting the anchor to be used on the kayak. Now most of the people, they connect the anchor from this end here. The anchor will drop like this in the water. Let's say it gets lodged under a log and you're going to pull it out, then the more you pull, the more it's going to get stuck. The proper way to connect this is from the top here. This is a 7mm marine rope, so this is very snug. Make a loop, okay, feed it through. So this is the loop we created from the top. We feed it through, pull, and then we'll go and feed it again. Just pulling down. And there you go. No matter how hard you press, nothing's coming off. And then again, run it down through the hatch. Up to here. Grab our zip tie, feed it through the hole to hold the line, and then tighten it. There you go, you're done. And now, if you drop the anchor, let's say it gets lodged, pulling, it's not coming out, you just yank it. That's so, now it's loose, and then now it's out. Done. Okay, now we're going to tie two marine ropes together. We have 12 meters of the green one and 20 meters of the white ones. So what we'll do, we're going to be tying the double fisherman's knot. This is the main line, the white one. We'll form a loop on top of it, and we'll start looping it on top of the two lines 3 times, like so, and then we'll feed it through all the way to the end, and then we'll pull the line. It'll be like so. So it's going to look like this. Now what we'll do now, we'll grab the other end, which is this end here, and then we'll wrap it. So we'll form a loop and we'll start wrapping it inwards towards the loop here. So this is the first one, second one, third one. So it's going to look like this. We'll grab the tag end and then we'll feed it through. So you feed it through, you tighten it, pull, pull, and then once you grab the end from here and the end from here, and once you start pulling, those two tags are going to pull against each other, like so. So you're going to have it like this. Knot is done, then you can trim these ends and burn them. So now we have a 20 meter white line connected to a 12 meter green line, and we can do the same to connect the end of our anchor there, the black line with the float. We done now. A green 12 meter rope tied to a paracord. So we have a double fisherman knot here and another double fisherman knot here, and this is running all the way to the float, which will be tied to to our anchor trolley. So we'll just clip it to the anchor trolley, and this will stay floating. So in case there'll be a quick release on the kayak, and so you're floating, you just unhook it, quick release it, and the float will stay in the water, and you can come back and retrieve it anytime you want. Connect. So what we'll do the bend knot or fish. So we'll run the line. We'll go overlap it and feed it back in. Then we'll go from under the line here, and then we'll feed it through the 2 loops. And there you go, there you have it. It's not going anywhere. So this is one end. Then repeat the same thing. So we'll feed the line, bring it back, feed it again, go from under, bring it back, feed it through the loop. Okay. And then tie you one more knot, and there you have it. So this will be our quick disconnect, and we can just simply clip it into there. This will be in our kayak along this. Will stay in the kayak, and there you have the float and the water. Worst case, you want a quick disconnect, you just, and you're done.